I'm looking for feedback on an application I've been working on. It assembles data that the SEC publishes each month on commercial mortgage-backed securities. The application collects this and puts it in a document store and then presents it via a graphical interface. It allows you to query the documents by issuing entity or property location. For example, I can see all of the office buildings that have been used as collateral based in Florida, that have been used as collateral in a commercial mortgage-backed security. The application displays them on a map and shows a summary of them below. If I click on one of the on an individual property, it shows me a street view along with the financials for the property itself and the loan that the property is collateral for. Clicking on this arrow will show me where it physically is in a map, and clicking on the other arrow takes me back to the previous page. From this page I can choose a different usage type, or to look at the same kind of same usage in a different state, or I can click on the logo, the main to return back to the home page. Navigation by issuing entity works in a similar way. I select the depositor and then the issuing entity itself. This time it plots all of the properties associated with that commercial mortgage-backed security on a map. This works in the same way. I can drill down and see the properties. If I scroll down to the bottom of the page, I also have the details of the assets themselves that went into that mortgage-backed security. My original plan when I started development on this was to mine the SEC data for property and lease information, supplement what's available in CoStar or Argus. It does a good job of this, but unfortunately I don't think there's enough data there to provide a full picture. We only have records for mortgages that have been securitized, and the securities must have been issued after November 2016. What I'm showing here is a list of what we have in San Francisco for offices. So the information's there just isn't enough of it, I think, for the original use. The application itself is mobile friendly. Here's what it looks like on an iPhone. I'm looking for feedback. Leave me a comment or connect via LinkedIn if you think there's a market for the app I just demoed.